of India, the first staple food of India, and it grows where, it thrives where, in tropical region. If you remember, you must have studied tropical region and temperate region. So ideal conditions for the growth of rice, where the temperature should be above 25 degrees Celsius along with 200 centimeters of rainfall. So this is the best ideal conditions for the cultivation of rice, and which is readily available on the coastal region. So that is what people are cultivating, and they are preparing these dishes out of rice.
Another